Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about heating element for Lang part #2N-11120-14. The Lang part #2N-11120-14 is a heating element for a commercial cooking appliance. It is a stainless steel, tubular element that is designed to provide heat to the cooking surface of the appliance. The heating element is made up of two coils that are wound around each other and then connected to a power source. The heating element is designed to provide an even distribution of heat across the cooking surface, ensuring that food cooks evenly and quickly. The heating element also helps to maintain the temperature of the cooking surface, allowing for consist. This part fixes the following symptoms. This heating element is used to replace a faulty or worn-out heating element in a Lang commercial oven. It can fix symptoms such as the oven not heating up properly, not reaching the desired temperature, or taking too long to heat up. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by disconnecting the power to the oven. 2. Remove the oven door and any other components that may be blocking access to the heating element. 3. Unscrew the screws that hold the heating element in place and remove it from the oven. 4. Install the new heating element by aligning it with the mounting holes and securing it with screws. 5. Reconnect any wiring that was disconnected during removal of the old element, making sure all connections are secure and properly insulated. 6. Replace any components that were removed during installation. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.